Welcome to the Disraptors Summit. My name is Tufik Dalal. I'm the head of the acceleration programs at PowerHub, and EIT Urban Mobility is a partner of this event, and part of this program is a block where European innovation startups will be pitching themselves to investors. At the same time, we have organized some workshops for them. We're gonna go in a while and talk to the startups and ask them about what they think of the event and what had it brought to them in terms of value. Please follow me.
Hi, we are Alex
and Marisa from EIT. We are working on the mobility transition
by putting grid-independent charging stations for electric vehicles simply anywhere.
So I'm Franz.
And I'm Julian.
And we are Squared, or part of the Squared team, and we developed an online B2B space sharing marketplace where companies who are looking for commercial space can find space from other companies that they share or offer for sharing. Recently we've particularly focused on logistics companies since there's a huge lack of available affordable space in the logistics sector, right? And so that was like our solution was kind of like prone to, be applied to that particular sector, let's say. And we're looking forward to like working with these customer groups. They're very interesting, very big.
Body City is a startup for self-fast parking and smart parking for bicycles and scooters. My name is Marta Recasens and I am a founder. Okay.
And I am Antonio Gonzalez. I'm the CIO of the company, which is the responsibility of the technological park. And also I am accompanying with Marta, accompanying her to the strategical part also.
I'm Fredrik Buildinn. I'm one of the co-founders of Elgen. We are an e-mobility provider connecting loyalty programs with e-mobility operators through our digital wallet.
Yeah. My name is Cecilia Hedlund and I'm the growth manager in the company. We're joining Fredrik today here in Prague.
Good morning, my name is Jose Antonio Herreros. I'm CEO of Miscar, and Miscar is the carpooling platform just for women.
So my name is Luís Rita. I'm CEO and co-founder at Cycle AI, and the goal of Cycle AI is to empower bicycle riders to fight for their own safety. And
Hello, I'm Louisa. I'm the external communications manager and I just joined Cycle AI.
Hi, I'm Jay. I'm from Mio Cycling in Sweden, and we offer bicycle servicing we're a mobile bicycle servicing app, and we offer servicing for developers and consumers.
Hi, I'm Neil Cohen and I'm the CEO and founder of Buildinn, which is a consulting company that focuses on innovation with corporates and startups.
I think it was pretty cool to meet other people from Europe and international, and I really liked the program.
The workshops here are really nice in a way. They make you challenge your current work. So the impulses you get here help you in facing your daily challenges and towards making your companies even better in tomorrow.
I personally like it a lot. To begin with, just being in a different country in a bigger city, that's always great. And I also think just meeting a lot of different people from other startups is a very enriching experience, right? Also considering that it's from companies from all over Europe, which is also great. So there's a lot of different, I think, cultural takes on how to build a startup, how to talk to customers. And I think, if you put all of these people in one room, usually there's like just a lot of like different perspective, and you can just benefit from like learning from other people and how they do things.
I think it has been a very interesting and productive session. We would have liked to have more time.
Okay, we will find the event because we participate in the EIT Urban Mobility cluster, and we won an implementation of one of our stations in Madrid, and due to that we are here now. I'm very happy to be here with you.
Yes, it's a very important day for our company today.
Really interesting half a day so far. It was really good learning experience to meet the other startups and also to discuss our value proposition with them, see how we can develop it, get points of view of other people who are in the business. It's been really valuable.
Well, I find it a good place to network with other entrepreneurs and other startups, which will create value for our own projects.
And up until now, the event has been incredible. It has been helping us identifying points that we take it for granted before, and finding new ways of validating points that are going to have a very big influence when start targeting the market, not only in the municipality side, but also at the B2C level with the companies playing an important role.
Fantastic. It was really interesting from the point of view that it's great to kind of reflect on like where we are as a startup, how far we've come, but also kind of take it back and kind of ask ourselves other questions as well. What are we doing? How do we improve, and so forth?
It was amazing because it actually created 3 different things that was valuable for me and for them. One of them is about stop guessing and learning new things and getting feedback from one another, and that's very important for startups. And the other thing was about failing and sharing failing and understand that we all fail all the time, and it's very important to share it and learn from one another. And the third part was about creating your own validation map and know how you're going to reach your real clients and create value from it in order to create a startup that will create a large impact but will be scalable and profitable.
Today is always innovate and don't stand still.
From today, it's just talking about failures with other startups, and what we can all learn from each other is very interesting and very important. But then at the same time, with the Buildinn session, having the materials and tools to find value in your assumptions and also in your strategic direction without getting lost is of great value to us.
For us, we think that the main thing is the review that we have made of our proposal value and how and the way we have worked on it, and the interaction with other companies which are involved in mobility solutions and with the experience of EIT Urban also.
Yes, very interesting to know different solutions about mobility service.
The main takeaway is that we should, simplify our value proposition and our message. And it's very hard to communicate something that is kind of, technically complicated and do it in a very, very easy way. But I think we drilled down and took really with us something that this is the thing. And I think that the workshop, it made us to get there.
Yeah.
My main takeaway is having the opportunity to be assessed by a professional and having the opportunity to introduce my startups to the international community. Thanks to Power Hub and thanks to EIT Urban Mobility.
I think the main takeaway was exactly that, validating ideas that some of them we take them for granted, and detailing the many points that we can target, exactly making sure that we have a reason to believe what are those, and we just don't think about them.
I think for me, the main focus today has been about learning from the other startups that were also attending the event, but also learning about how do we kind of improve ourselves and take things forwards.
Two things. One of them is that startup, no matter at what stage, can learn a lot from others. They can learn from others, they can create new values. And the second thing, that if you want to be in this process for the long term, you must always reshape, rethink, think about what you are offering, how do you put your pitch out, what is the value that you are offering, and how you can change it in order to stay and survive. Otherwise, if you stick on one thing, it might not be relevant anymore.